Hey folks, Jim Thomas here, Fitness Management and Consulting, and welcome to our channel today. I appreciate y'all being here. And if you're new to the channel, if you're finding us for that very first time, welcome. It's good to have you. And as a quick reminder to all, my focus, my mission here in the channel is I want to be able to provide as much information as I can to as many people as I can, across all regions. And the best way I can do that is when you choose to subscribe to the channel, you choose to like the videos, when you choose to comment, when you choose to share the information. So if you've not yet done so, please take a moment, subscribe, hit that like button, share the information with friends, associates, and colleagues. And then for additional ways you can choose to support the channel, additional ways that I can help take your business that next level, check out those links below. And so with that said, let's get into our topic today. And it's 5 tips on starting your own gym business. 5 tips on starting your own gym business. And even if you're looking to acquire a gym, or maybe you're in business right now and you want to use this as a little bit of a litmus test. How do I stack up on some of this? Take a look at it. So 5 tips on starting your own gym business. So number 1 on my list is recognize your strengths and weaknesses. What are you good at? What are you not so good at? Okay. I know for many clubs that I work with, the club owner has said, hey, I need help in sales and marketing. That's not a real strength of mine. Okay. I recognize I need help. And so they'll bring, myself in to help them with that. So recognize where your strengths are, where your weaknesses are. If you're weak in that area, don't just ignore it or don't try to figure it out. That trial and error can be very expensive. One of the kind of rules of hiring is you want to hire people, that are in some significant way are better than you are at what you're asking them to do. Okay, so recognize your strengths and weaknesses. What are you good at? Where can you use some help? Number 2, start with a simple business plan and grow as needed. Start with a simple business plan and grow as needed. So let me take a moment and tell you kind of how we do this. When we do a business plan, we do it on a collaborative basis. We do it together. Okay, we send over a series of questions. We go through all this, but the purpose of it is we want to create that business plan. But what we also want to do, we want to create that educational component. Okay, we want to give you all that knowledge. So if a lender asks you a question, a landlord asks you a question, not only can you answer, kind of the how, you can also answer the why. Okay, so the educational component is crucial here, but we want to start with this simple business plan, understanding, things like differentiation, understanding things like marketing and how to, reach everybody in your marketplace, understanding, hey, what are the risks? And how are we going to mitigate those risks? So we want to start with a simple business plan. Then we can grow into it as needed. As your company grows, you can add more to it. Number 3, on tips on starting a new gym business, focus on something you have a passion for. Focus on something you have a passion for. What do you believe in? There's all kinds of different opportunities in the fitness industry. What do you like? Okay, what is best for you? Okay, so focus on something you have a passion for. At the same time, make sure that you're providing something in the marketplace that either you're better than everybody else or it's not currently being provided. Okay. Number 4, understanding your target customers and the existing markets. Who is your target customer in the existing markets? So when it comes to existing markets, one of the things that I suggest you do if you're looking to start something new, and if you're looking to buy one, same thing, do it. Or if you're in a marketplace right now and you haven't done it, go do this. But understand your competition, all of them, online, brick and mortar, you name it, okay? What are they good at? What are they not so good at? What is not being provided by the local market? Okay, where can you step in there and do a better job? Where can you bring to the marketplace what's not currently being done? What does the marketplace want that no one else is doing? This is where your opportunities are going to be, and identify who your target customers are going to be. Okay, now in a general sense, if your location, say, is here, this is your X, it's going to be about a 3-mile radius, roughly, about a 15-minute drive time, depends on where you're at, right? But about a 3-mile radius, and whatever that population base is, about 20,000 people, about 20%. Okay, if there's 100,000, it'd be 20,000. But about 20% of that audience would be expected to be a member of a gym. Okay, that's kind of where they're going to come from. But also think about that other 80% out there. That's that uncontested market. What's our opportunities there? So really understand your target customers and really understand, those existing markets. And then number 5 on tips on starting a new business, and this one's kind of an absolute. Don't go it alone. Don't go it alone. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Okay? If you don't know where you're going, ask someone that's been there. This is where I can help. Okay, check out the links below. We're offering a complimentary 45-minute strategy session. Happy to chat with you about how we can help you in this journey, how we can help you, shorten the learning curve, and how we can help you maximize bottom line profitability. If you go out there and you try to trial and error at it can get very expensive. You can start to burn through money. But one of the biggest problems a lot of independent gym owners have is they get isolated. And when you get isolated, there's a tendency to trial and error, which is expensive, or you kind of get a little paralysis in there. You don't do anything, and neither one of those are going to work like you wanted to. So 5 tips on starting your own gym business. Take a look at them if you're looking to get started. Make this part of that daily to-do list and what you're trying to accomplish. And so, folks, again, my name's Jim Thomas. My company's Fitness Management and Consulting. Appreciate you being here at the channel today. And as a quick reminder, if you've not yet done so, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Love to hear your comments below. Share the information. And for additional ways you can choose to support the channel, additional ways I can help take your business to that next level, check out those links below. And we look forward to seeing you all in that next video.